What do we need to consider when we're designing for intelligent video?
When we're designing for intelligent video, we need to be thinking about what kind of experience we need to provide for the remote participants in a way that is the least burden to the people who are actually in the room. So we want to take a look at how people use that space naturally. What kind of room is it? Is it a boardroom? Is it a classroom? Where are the people in the space going to be looking naturally when they are interacting in that space so that the remote participants can see them clearly? And thinking also through what other pieces in the room are crucial for the remote participants to see to have full engagement in that meeting.
How do I evaluate if I have the right intelligent video solution?
So when you're going to be evaluating for the right intelligent video solution, you want to look at both the experience and the technology that delivers that experience.
What's the experience?
So the experience is going to be, again, group framing, presenter tracking, speaker tracking, and composition. And so the first question I like to ask is, what type of space is this? Is it a classroom? Is it a boardroom? Is it an auditorium? This will give an idea of how the room is laid out and where the best position for the camera might be. The second question I like to ask is, where are people looking when they're talking? Because this is when they need to be captured by the camera, and ensuring that cameras are positioned in the right places to be able to capture them is key.
You said there's many questions, so I assume one of the questions is where the people are in the space.
It's not only where the people are in the space, it's also where people are looking when they're in the space and when they need to be captured by the camera. That's really key. You want to make sure that whenever the remote participants are going to be engaging with the people in the room, that they're able to see the person that they're engaging with head on.
What else is important to consider?
It's also crucial to think about what else remote participants may need to be able to see to be fully engaged in the meeting. So, of course, they need to see whoever is talking clearly, but they may also need to see something else. That may be a whiteboard, it may be the CEO's reactions at all times, or, let's say you have a presenter or you're in a classroom scenario. When someone else in the room is talking and asking a question, you may always want to be able to see that presenter as well. So in that case, you'd be looking at, some sort of composition.
So now I assume we're going to talk about the technology to get this solution done?
Yeah, so the technology is going to be key here in the size of the room. So you want to take a look at what is the size of the room, how many people are going to occupy it. That's going to determine whether you're looking at a digital or an optical zoom camera. Each one of the different solutions have different specifications for, what is the recommended distance. And so you'll want to take a look at those elements of the product when selecting the right one for your room.
Is there anything else I should be considering?
It's also crucial to consider the rest of the hybrid meeting experience. So you'll want to take a look at, your audio, your video conferencing platform, and all of that, and take that into consideration as well. You may want to look at, a standalone solution, where you're just bringing the camera straight into your video conferencing platform. You may be looking for a whole kit solution, and Crestron offers a lot of Crestron Flex kits that provide the entire solution for you. Also, you may want a form factor that's easy and simple to deploy. In that case, you might be looking for a video bar or an all-in-one collaboration bar like the Video Bar 70.
What other technologies are important to consider?
Some of the key technologies that we'll want to look at when we're evaluating our intelligent video solutions are both visual and audio. So when you have visual or visual AI, the way that the experience is being created is that an algorithm is taking a look at a view of the room and determining where the faces are and adjusting the frame accordingly. When you're looking at audio information, this is going to be to determine where the where the speaker is. So this is crucial for speaker tracking. This can either be built into the solution itself, and in that case, you're going to just have the effective distance of the microphones that are in the solution, or you can use external microphones, and that allows you to be able to accommodate a much larger space.